What is it? Tell us about it.
Santa's Workshop. So this set will be released in October. It will be priced at $69.99 in the US and $89.99 in Canada. So ages 12 and up, 883 pieces. Let's see, 6 minifigures, including Santa with a red sack, Mrs. Claus with a cookie tray, and 4 elves. Lovely sleigh. 4 reindeer that have some unique new printed elements, including their faces and backs. A baby reindeer. He's really cute. Also, there's a featured stained glass window and unique Christmas lights on the roof. 4 wrapped presents and 4 toys, including on the unveiled bed, a classic blue spaceship, a yellow car, and a pink wand. You get some different stickers in the set too, including the Santa's Workshop sign and a summer holiday picture of Santa and Mrs. Claus. So there's a dual play building experience that includes separate brick sets with instructions for adults and children ages 8 and 12.
What's that? What's the dual play?
From my understanding, it's
Yeah, so because this is a bigger set, there's 2 parts to the building. First, you have the main house here, which is more of the more complex build. And then the second instruction booklet contains some of the smaller builds within the set. So you can be building the house also while your kids are building the smaller elements as well. So as we come up here too, you can check out the house behind here. It has a lot of good interesting detail too, so please check that out. Any other questions to this build before we let people come up? Sorry? Yep.
$69.99 in the US and $89.99 in Canada.
Chris. Tell Chris.
No, it's always like that for everything. For everything.
Yes? I'm sorry I don't have that information. I don't know. Who is the designer?
No, it was the elves.
Yes. In October. Yep. Sorry? Oh, sorry.
They're so good to make a first look video.
Yes, I think it is. I don't have the exact information, but yes, it's a expert series creator. I believe the winter series is part of the expert series.